Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's John Johnson with another John Johnson. We're going to do top 5 burps again. I'm going to do the first one. No, I'm going to do the last one. He's going to do the first 4. So let's go.
Ready?
Stay still.
Numero uno.
Uno one. Number 2.
Just in for style there, and now the actual bit.
Number 3. Ooh, number 4. Let's go.
Finale, ready?
It's finale, and then it's my one.
No, turn it back round. Sorry, that wasn't it. I need to start again now.
Right, thank you. Ho ho! That was a long one. Right, so now it's my go. Let's go.